मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं
नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the participants in Hyderabad and all the participants sitting with us all over the world through two-way video conferencing. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. The city is sitting with us through two-way video conferencing. I welcome all of you and all the online cities. The program is actually attended by people all over the world through the two-way video conferencing. Program does not start when I start speaking. Program starts when you start listening. It doesn't start when I start speaking. It starts when you start listening. Sometimes people listen first day. Sometimes people listen second day. Sometimes people don't even start listening till the program is over. So program does not start when I start speaking. It starts when you start listening. Please listen. It is when you start listening, the program starts. I wanted to say few words about listening. Listen. At least listen when I say about listening. When I speak about listening. It's very unfortunate. We lost listening. Sometimes you learn to sleep by sitting. You master new art. Authentic listening means hearing and cognizing. Hearing and cognizing. Hearing and cognizing. But between these two, hearing and cognizing, when the incompletions penetrate, enter, that is where the listening gets distracted. Listening gets disturbed. Please listen. If it goes smoothly like a 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, that binary, hearing, cognizing, hearing, cognizing, it is authentic listening. But things don't go that smoothly inside us. The moment you hear, before you cognize, some incompletions comes up. And your cognition now is coated with that incompletion. For example, you went to beach one day for evening walk. You saw few people fighting with each other and one person got killed on the spot. After that, will you ever go for a beach walk? Forget about going for a walk. If I start talking about the beach, immediately what will be in your memory? That incident. So the moment you hear, I have not spoken about any murder. I just casually spoke the ocean of love. Your mind is the beach of the ocean. Immediately You remember the murder. I am talking about love. You are remembering murder. And already your cognition has moved to that incompletion. So after that, at least 2-3 statements, I will be speaking, you will not be listening. How many of you understand what I am saying? This happens, this goes on happening. That is what I am saying. Incompletion. When it starts happening, incompletion, when it starts happening, it is not like a hearing, cognizing, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. It doesn't happen like that. What happens? It becomes 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and it is in chaos. I am talking about finally end of the day, when the session is over, I spoke about something else, you were in the some other space. How many of you understand this happens in your inner space? How many of you understand? Raise your hand. Good. First understanding, at least everyone got it. Listening means keeping those incompletions aside, telling them, please wait for next 2 days, don't disturb me. Next 2 days I want to be with Swamiji, not with you. Incompletions are like a eternal inner critic. You carry a inner critic who constantly criticizes you. You try to show yourself as a hero, he laughs at you as a comedian. It's almost like carrying the spouse inside all the time. Constantly, part of you which is not becoming part of you goes on criticizing you, not letting you participate with life completely. Next 2 days, keep that aside. Tell that part of you, I want to spend time with Swamiji, please give me a break. Authentic listening means hearing and cognizing, keeping that component aside. Keeping that component aside. How many of you understand? How many of you are ready for it? Ready for authentic listening? First step for listening is start listening to you. Please understand, first step for listening is start listening to you. First learn to listen to you. Atma Shravana. Listening to yourself. Only when you listen to you, you will listen to the Master. Let's gather for next session. Thank you.